Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of OneDrive on your computer or laptop. Whether you want to change your account or ensure your privacy, I will walk you together the complete process. So let's get started. You can see the OneDrive's icon in the right corner of the taskbar of your computer's homepage. Click on the icon. Now click on Helps and Settings and then click on Settings again. Now click on Account from the menu and you will see Unlink this PC. Click on Unlink this PC and then click on Unlink account in the From and OneDrive will be logged out. And that's how you log out your OneDrive on your computer or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.